Hi everyone, in this video I will present about meaning relation in semantics. Here we got a preview. First, we'll talk about definition and the meaning relation. 2. Hyponym. 3. Opposition. And the last is lexical fields. So let's dive into it. In semantics, the meaning of semantics relations is the association that exists between the meaning of words, meaning of phrase, and the meaning of sentence. We must know the meaning relation because it can help us to figure out what types of words which are true expert in their field. Firstly, hyponym is in relation to a more generic word. The denotation of hyponym is a subcategory of the denotation of the hyperonym. Hyperonym describes a more broad terms, while hyponym is a more specialized and specific word. For example, pigeon, crow, eagle, and seagull are hyperonym of a bird. In turn, bird is a hyponym of animal. In hyponym, there are a regular compound. It contains two parts. First, modifier, two, the head. For example, blackboard. Black is the modifier, board is the head. 2. Spaceship. Space is the modifier, ship is the head. 3. Timeable. Time is the modifier, table is the head. Opposition are the relation in which one word that has a sense of meaning that negates the sense of scale. This stands for a related word and the other words are capable of being opposed. Opposition are separated into 5 parts. There are antonym, directional opposite, complementaries, heteronym, and converse. Antonym describe an opposite extreme meaning in a range of possibilities. Antonym is not restricted to adjective. It could pair of nouns such as war, peace, and some antonym pairs of verbs such as love, hate, or encourage, discourage, all and nothing. It also can pair of adverbs such as always and never, often and seldom, and everywhere and nowhere. Definition of directional opposite are related to opposite direction of a common axis. Negation of one term is equivalent to the other term. It's like a one object in the center and its surrounding can be a directional opposite, such as up and down, left, right, front, behind, high, low, etc. Complementaries. Complementaries are a relation between two opposite states or principles that together exhaust the possibilities. It's a ungradable opposition. Complementary more typically occurs with nouns. Example are the female, male, and possible and impossible, and free and occupied. Heteronym is not related to the scales. Heteronym are not opposite extreme, but just members of a set of different expressions which often have a common uh, in hypernym. For example, if X is Sunday, it cannot be Monday. If X is a cat, it cannot be a dog. Converse is a kind of relation that is restricted to expression whose meaning involves two or more elements. The terms express a relation in the widest sense. Two expressions are called converses of each other if they express the same relation with reserved roles. Example before, after, borrow, lend, and converse differ from other types of opposite that they do not correspond to the uniform logical relation. Lastly, the definition of lexical field is the denotes of segment of reality symbolized by a set of related words. The word is a semantic field share common semantic property. It contains three parts. There are small fields, taxonomies, and meronyms. Small fields. Some fields are quite small. For example, each pair of antonyms, such as thick and thin, form a lexical field of two members. Complementary expressions such as girl and boy also form a field of two sexes. This field is structured by two different meaning relations. Hyponym between child and boy, or girl and opposite and opposition in terms of sex between girl and boy. There are other lexical fields of three elements with the same structure, for example adult woman or man or horse mare stallion. Taxonomies: this is the terms of animals, plants, food, or artifacts such as furniture, clothes, musical instruments, etc. Meronym is a linguistic relationship that exists between two words when one word is a part of a member of the other. In this relationship, for example, wheel is a meronym of a car, and a car is the holonym of the wheel.